Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today's Father's Day and we're meeting my daughter for dinner, but not for a few hours. So we decided to hit a close by trail and get a little ride in. Had a lot of rain lately, so everything's pretty plush and green here in Michigan. Some of the water holes are getting filled up too. Since we're out here by ourselves and gonna meet for dinner later, we didn't want to get messy. And I still don't have a winch on, so we decided to bypass this hole. We don't take Frank along very often. When we do, he wants a front row seat. We saw this ruffed grouse. We just kept moving by slowly. He didn't seem to mind us. Video never does justice, but these wetlands look pretty cool. Somebody was getting ready to build something here, so it looks like they put planks down so that heavy equipment didn't tear up the trails or get stuck. This was coming to the end of the trail, so if you don't mind, give us a like and a comment. Let us know if you want to see some more videos. Thanks for watching.